Ahora solo es una y es lo que el corazón pide. Esta noche te vienes conmigo pa' que no lo olvides. Sentaditos en la arena y tú bailándome sirena. Esta noche somos tú y yo. Dale rumbo, mami, con esa booty dueña del party. Yo sé que tú estás puesta pa' mí. Somos dos animales en este safari, yeah.
Es una, vívela como tú quieras, deja que la vibra suba y vive a tu manera. Tú eres para mí.
Shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
solo es una y es lo que el corazón pide. Esta noche te vienes conmigo pa' que no la olvides. Sentaditas en la arena y tú bailándome sirena. Esta noche somos tú y yo.
Anafi is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. Anafi is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.